Are you eating keto-friendly foods but still struggling with blood sugar spikes? What if I told you there are foods you can consider safe on keto that can actually spike your blood glucose and stall your progress? Stick around, guys, because I'm going to reveal some common healthy foods that can be sabotaging your blood sugar control and insulin sensitivity, even on keto. Many of us think that once we're on keto, we're safe from blood sugar spikes, but here's the truth. Some foods that seem low carb or keto friendly can still have a high glycemic impact. And when your blood sugar rises, your insulin spikes to handle it, which can interfere with weight loss and metabolic health. Let's start with nuts, guys. Cashews and pistachios, while lower in carbs than other snack options, they actually contain more carbs per serving than you might think. A small handful of cashews, just an ounce, can have up to 9 grams of carbs, some of which will convert to sugar, raising your blood glucose. I've had patients who thought a few nuts as a snack was harmless, only to see unexpected blood sugar spikes afterwards. And what's even worse, guys, nuts and seeds are some of the most addictive snacks you can have, because once you get started eating them, good luck trying to stop. In fact, this is such a big problem that some docs in the low-carb community advise their patients to avoid eating nuts and seeds while they are starting their low-carb journey. Next, let's talk a little bit about dairy, Greek yogurt, and cottage cheese as examples. While they're packed with protein and have fewer carbs than milk, they still contain lactose, a natural sugar that can raise blood sugar. Many yogurts also come with added sugars. So even if it says unsweetened or low carb, check those labels, guys. A single cup of Greek yogurt can have 5 to 10 grams of carbs, depending on the brand, and lactose has a glycemic impact that can surprise you. And whenever choosing yogurt, make sure it's not low fat, because low fat usually equals high in sugar. Now for veggies, carrots and onions are two popular choices that, while packed with nutrients, are a bit higher in carbs than other veggies you might eat on keto. A cup of chopped onions contains about 10 grams of carbs, and even a small serving can add up. Roasted carrots or caramelized onions may also intensify those natural sugars, leading to spikes in blood sugar. You know, these are foods that you shouldn't avoid entirely, but portion control matters if you're trying to avoid glycemic surprises. When we eat foods that cause blood sugar spikes, our bodies release insulin to bring those sugar levels down. However, when insulin is triggered often, even by healthy foods, our cells can become resistant over time. This is especially important for those with insulin resistance, as it can make weight loss more challenging and lead to energy crashes and, of course, cravings. Each time we have a glucose spike, our cells get a little more resistant to insulin, meaning we need more of it over time to keep blood sugar stable. Insulin resistance, if it continues unchecked, contributes to belly fat, cravings, and a slower metabolism, things that really disrupt your keto journey. So here's what I recommend. If you're tracking your carbs and blood glucose, pay close attention to how some of these safe foods affect you. For example, maybe try smaller portion sizes of the nuts, go for lower lactose dairy options like hard cheeses over yogurt, and be mindful of higher carb veggies. I even suggest investing in a continuous glucose monitor or a glucose meter to see how your blood sugars respond. I'll have a link to the company that offers continuous glucose monitors direct to you. And you can also nowadays go to the local pharmacist and get an over-the-counter brand like Lingo and Libre Rio. If you found the information in this video surprising, share this video, because others might also be unknowingly spiking their blood sugar with keto-safe foods. Remember, the key to mastering keto and improving your metabolic health is understanding not just the carbs in your food, but the effect it has on your body. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and share for more tips on metabolic health. And guys, I'll see you in the next video.